updating your payment information on Steam is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account details. Once logged in, click on your username at the top right corner and select account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access payment methods. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment information. Select the payment method you want to update. You can either edit the existing information or add a new payment method by following the prompts. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new payment information, make sure to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your payment details have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily update your payment information on Steam. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for assistance.